Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Virgin Media box. Let's begin by carefully unboxing all the components. You should find your main Virgin Media box, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and your remote control. Take a moment to identify each item. Make sure you have a suitable spot near your television and a readily accessible power outlet for easy connection. Now let's connect the cables. First, take the white coaxial cable and securely screw one end into the wall socket and the other end into the corresponding port on the back of your Virgin Media box. Next, connect the HDMI cable from your box to an available HDMI input on your television. Finally, plug the power cable into your box and then into a wall outlet, ensuring it is switched on. With all cables connected, it's time to power on your box. Press the power button, usually located on the front or top of the unit. Your box will begin to boot up, which might take a few minutes. Once it's ready, you should see a welcome screen or setup guide on your television. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to activate your Virgin Media services and get everything running smoothly. Finally, let's get your remote ready. Insert the two batteries into the back of your remote control. Your box might prompt you to pair the remote with your television for full functionality, so follow those steps if they appear. If you experience any initial issues, like no picture or sound, a good first step is to double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are firm and in the correct ports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.